This creates a feast for bacteria, feeding the very organisms that cause bad breath, contribute to cavities, and lead to the development of gum disease, also known as gingivitis. Flossing effectively removes this trapped debris and disrupts the formation of plaque, breaking up the bacterial colonies before they can cause significant damage. This simple act of cleaning helps prevent inflammation of the gums, keeps bad breath at bay, and promotes a healthier, fresher mouth overall. To floss effectively, start by using about 18 inches of floss. Gently guiding it between your teeth is crucial to avoid damaging your gums. Once the floss is between your teeth, curve it around each tooth in a C shape, hugging the side of the tooth to maximize contact and cleaning. Carefully slide the floss below the gum line, where bacteria often hide, and then move to a fresh, clean section of floss for each individual tooth to prevent spreading bacteria. It's not uncommon for your gums to bleed a little at first, especially if you haven't been flossing regularly.